Hey guys, today we're releasing this Ford Ranger Raptor protected with Modesta BC-05. BC-05 is the glass coating that we use in our best-selling diamond package. It forms a hard and clear layer on your paint with extreme water-repellent properties and deep candy-like shine. This coating can protect from watermarks, light scratches, and contamination. In the case of this Ranger, the white paint can be safe from yellowing or oxidation over time. Click the description below to check out the other inclusions of our diamond package.